So to repair your auto opener for your greenhouse, if your cast T piece has been broken, we will send you a cast T replacement. And your first step will be to remove the broken cast T pieces and the springs from the side. So to replace this cast T piece, it does take a little bit of muscle. It does sometimes help to have two people available to do it. But you will be pulling these arms apart enough to get this in. So the best way to do this is to kind of get one end in there first. And you do kind of have to muscle it around, but you get one end in there, and you see I'm applying quite a bit of force on here to pull this apart. It's okay, it's aluminum, it will move around. And then close it, and you'll see now they're a little bent out of place. You just push them back in, and it'll be fine. So that's how you do it. You replace your springs on the other side. Sometimes that takes a little bit of doing too. There you go. And you are back in business.